Sales associate Jack found a home listed for $385,000. The agreed sales commission is 10% on the first $50,000 and then 6% on the next $100,000 and 2% on any balance. So Jack found the buyer and sold the property for $350,000. The owner paid the sales commission per listing agreement. The listing broker paid the cooperating broker 45% of the commission, who paid his sales associate Jack 30% of that 45%. So what was Jack's commission? All right, so let's first visualize that. So we have these two brokers. We have the listing broker and we have the cooperating broker. And this cooperating broker is going to pay his sales associate 30% of his 45% share. So in other words, the cooperating broker then is going to wind up receiving only 50% commission because he's giving his associate Jack 30% of it. So as you can see, that does make up that 45%. And then the listing broker, of course, he's taking his 55, and that's what makes up that 100%. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and proceed with solving this to find out what's Jack's commission. So there's a lot going on in this paragraph, but if we see here, it says that the agreed commission is going to be 10% on the first $50,000. So again, the house sold for $350,000. Now the first $50,000, the commission rate is going to be at 10%. So that's going to be 50,000 times 0.10, which that equals $5,000. The next part of it is the next $100 is now $100,000. The next $100,000 is going to be 6% interest. So that'll be $100,000 times 0.06, which is going to give us $6,000. And then anything that's left over, any balance, is going to be at a commission rate of 2%. So far we have 150. Now the sales price is $350, so that means $200,000 is going to be at 2%. And when we calculate that, that's going to give us $4,000. So now all we need to do is just to add up those numbers, and then we'll have the total commission. So the commission on a house that sells for $350,000 based on these different split rates is going to equal about $15,000. Now keep in mind, as we said before, the listing broker, he's going to have 55% of that, and then the cooperating broker is going to get 45% of it. So I can first start out by go ahead and getting the listing broker his portion of it. So all we have to do is just $15,000 times 0.55, and that gives us $8,250, and that's what the listing broker is going to receive from that commission. Now remember, the cooperating broker decided he's going to give his agent 30% of his 45 share, which means he'll only get 15%. So really all you have to do is just simply subtract the 8,250 from the 15,000, and that's going to give you the balance or the remaining, which is 6,750. Now keep in mind again that the cooperating broker is not going to keep all of this for himself, that 45%. He's going to give 30% of that to Jack. So all we need to do now is just do 6,750 times 0.30 to get 30% of that. And as we can see, then Jack his commission would be $2,025, which is choice C.